Hello, welcome to the demo of CirclePad web page features. So to get started, let's get into CirclePad. And we're starting with the default page here, and we're going to make a little thing here and say, here is our web page. And we'll just get right in and start looking at some of the features. So for this example, let's get rid of this and load up a photo here. I'll load a photo of here, Surfer Girl, to keep our Hawaiian theme in our demos. So we've got this image and we want to put it up on the web. So the thing you click on CirclePad is the save button right here. So there's a couple of options here that they're worth looking at. So the simplest way to use this is just type the name of your page. Let's call this Surfer Girl, and I hit save. I can either hit save here. If I hit save, it's online, but we're not looking at it. If I hit save and view online, it saves it, and then it opens up a little window and we look at it. Now notice the address of this page. So here in this account we have our own domain name. It's called circlepad.biz/surfergirl. Now if I go back and I make this our home page, you see the web address is shown right here. Then that's the very top of the web page. And if I click save and view online, you'll see right at the root of our web page that becomes the Surfer Girl page. Also notice the web page, the name of your page is the name that will appear on this tab when someone goes to there. A little more detail in here, you can save a private page. If you have a page that you really like but you want to take it off the web, you can just say, I'm the only person who can see this, and save it in a hidden page. So the next thing that we can do is we can hook up links in our page. So we can either click on an object, we can click on text, or we can hit on part of the text. So let's click on this object and we're going to set up a page link. So page links are found here under edit object. So we go down here and you see right here it says internet link. So let's do a link to this text here. So I'll do a page link to, this time I'll do it to Yahoo. And you have to actually put www.yahoo.com. Okay, so that works good. And if we view this online, view online, replace, then we can go and click on this and then that will link to Yahoo. So that was pretty simple. Now if we want to link to one of our own pages, we can just go click page link and then we can click on the page. So I've got a page here called that's a good thing here. We've got high mileage classic cars. So I clicked on that, it puts the name, we click link, and then when we view that online and replace, when we click that, it links to another page that we've already made. So that's how you link to your own pages and build a little website. So you can also link to email. So we could link this to an email address just by clicking on email link, and you type in the name of the email. It works very similar. Now let's say we wanted to change the background color of our web page. We go click on color, and then here at the top you can see what the color is being applied to. So let's click on background color, and then we can just click and move around. Let's say we wanted a blue page here, or a little bit darker blue, and then we can pick how dark, and then simply hit save. Same thing, save and view online, and that adjusts the web page. Notice that it goes right to the edge of the boundary of the web page. It fills the page, your background color. So if we want something a little different, instead of a color we wanted an image. Now you could very easily load a photo and make that your background image. Let's say we loaded this one of these photos here. Here's a picture of a baseball here. So let's say we wanted this to be our background, and I could edit object, move that underneath. Now watch what happens if we fill our background with this image. Okay, so this filled our page, and then we view online. Do you see it's still cropped to the edge of your page? So that's a little different than if we go in here and then we say, okay, I'm going to delete this. Okay, so select the object, delete it, and click under page setup, and then say, oh, I'm going to have a background image, and that image will be the baseball. Then if we view it online, the image is repeating and fills all space on the web page. So you got to watch for that. That's there's a little bit different behavior based on what you do. So, but more likely you would put a little icon or something a little smaller that would make a better background image. And we can look at that over here. Now, next thing, let's look at page sizes. So CirclePad, you can change the size of your page. So you just go over here and say, okay, I want a medium page. It puts it over there. That's a medium page. Or I could have a small page and I want it longer. I want it a medium length. And then I can scroll down. And it's just a matter of, again, saving or viewing online, and that'll replace your page. And then it has the room that you need to put other things in there. And finally, a common question with CirclePad is, what if I get rid of a photo and I want to delete it, or I load some video and I want to delete it? Well, there's a simple way to do that. You come in and you click on Organize. So Organize, you can delete pages, you can delete photos, you can delete video. But be careful, because when you delete a photo, if it's used on any page, it won't be visible. It just won't come up. And so if you have a photo on 10 pages and you delete it using Organize, then it's gone for good. And so you'll have to go back to the version on your computer. So that gives you a little bit of an overview of how web pages work in CirclePad. I hope that helps.